Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Lesion in Rainbow Six Siege. Lesion is a 2-speed, 2-armor defender, making him versatile for various strategies. His unique gadget, goo mines, are invisible proximity traps that slow and damage enemies over time. These mines are crucial for area denial and intel gathering. You'll typically use his T5 SMG or a shotgun as your primary weapon. Understanding his role is key to mastering his abilities on defense. Effective goo mine placement is vital for Lesion's success. Always place your mines in common entry points, like doorways and hallways, where attackers are likely to pass. Conceal them behind objects or in dark corners to make them harder to spot and destroy. Use goo mines to cover flanks, preventing unexpected pushes, and to gather crucial intel on enemy movements. Each triggered mine provides a sound cue, alerting you and your team to enemy locations. Lesion excels at slowing enemy pushes and denying access to key areas, making him a powerful defensive operator. He can play as an effective anchor, holding down the objective, or as a lurker, catching attackers off guard. His T5 SMG offers excellent accuracy and a high rate of fire for precise engagements. Always communicate when an enemy triggers a goo mine. This provides vital information to your team, allowing them to capitalize on the slowed and damaged attackers. For advanced tactics, try to save a few goo mines for the later stages of a round. These can be invaluable for blocking diffuser plants, as an affected attacker cannot plant until the mine is removed. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Combining your goo mines with barbed wire creates a powerful slowing effect, making it nearly impossible for attackers to push quickly. This synergy enhances your team's defensive capabilities significantly, forcing attackers to waste valuable time and resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.